I'm Nivedita. I'm from Tumkur. I'm completed my MCA.
How did you get to know about Networkers Home?
I used to watch interview videos on YouTube. There I find mock interviews from NH. While watching only, I contacted them through WhatsApp.
What stood out to you about Networkers Home?
While doing my graduation itself, I'm more interested in networking. After I thought, let's start my career in networking field only. So because sir gave this opportunity.
How does a day look like in your internship?
Initially, I find more difficulty, not aware about how to use a proper AI, new technologies, kind of thinking, how to solve the problems. It's a new experience. This is Networkers Home, best platform to start our career. The only one step ahead for you all guys to start the new journey here and feel the same.
Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Journey with AI Interns, where we will know what our AI interns are exploring in the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we have Nivedita with us, who is working as an intern for 1 month. Welcome to the show, Nivedita.
Thank you.
Could you please introduce yourself?
I'm Nivedita. I'm from Tumkur and I'm completed my MCA and I currently doing my course in Networkers Home.
That's great. So, how did you get to know about Networkers Home?
After completing my MCA, I'm searching for the courses and also used to watch my interview videos on YouTube. There I find mock interviews from NH and while watching only, I come to know that institute is in Bangalore. So after I contacted them through WhatsApp and I come to know what and all the courses they offer for students and all, and they give some insights about the courses, and after I decided this is the best place to do my course, so I joined here.
That's great to know. We are really happy to have you here. So you mentioned something about YouTube channel, right? So what stood out to you about Networkers Home's YouTube channel?
Actually, while watching interview videos, there I find mock interviews.
Okay.
And that is so interactive, and it's a practicing session. So I impressed there, and after I contacted them.
That's great. That's great to hear. So what is something new you are learning here at Networkers Home?
After I joined the Networkers Home, while doing my course, I got to know this internship opportunity. Then after I decided this is the right place to do my internship and build my career in networking field. So because sir gave this opportunity to join this internship, and now I'm doing, and it's a great opportunity. I'm enjoying it.
So what inspired you to take up networking?
While doing my graduation itself, I'm more interested in networking, and after completion my MCA, I'm more interested in networking itself. So and after I thought, let's start my career in networking field only.
So Nivedita, tell me, how does a day look like in your internship?
We are currently doing a testing.
Okay.
In testing, we are going to do a manual testing, and also using AI we do testing with so many softwares. While doing that, I come to know so many new technologies and new kind of thinking, and how to solve the problems and how to find the problem. And it's a new experience. Actually, I'm doing well.
That's great. What are some new tools are you exploring in your internship right now?
Mainly the AI part. AI integration with VS Code and Antigravity, and also we are working with Wattping and Ollama. Those are the softwares we are going to test. We're using manual testing and also using AI. We are going to test those softwares.
How are you finding it? How is your feeling while you're working on these tools?
But initially, I find more difficulty while finding out the bugs and all, and also I'm not aware about how to use a proper AI. And while doing this internship, I come to know how we can take the usage of AI and all. That's the thing I'm learning.
Amazing. So is there anything that you would like to convey to our audience who are planning to join internship here at Networkers Home?
Actually, this is the best platform to start our career, and actually I'm finding the same. And this is Networkers Home, means home for networkers. Actually, I'm feeling the same, and here the trainers and our team leads are kind of family, and we can interact with them, and they will train us, and it's a best feeling actually. And the only one step ahead for you all guys to start the new journey here and feel the same.
Thank you so much for your time, and we wish you all the best for your future.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another exciting episode of Journey with our AI interns, where we will learn more about what is going on in the world of artificial intelligence. Till then, take care. Thank you.